Work out.
I need to work out every day to stay healthy.
Aerobics workout.
Working out.
Get on with.
I have to get on with my homework before the deadline.
Get on with it.
Get on with what?
Run out of.
Oh no, we've run out of sugar.
Running out of time?
Oxygen run.
Bring up.
Why do you always bring up politics at dinner?
Look after.
I promise to look after my neighbor's dog while they're on vacation.
Look after yourself.
Look after her.
Turn up.
The singer turned up late, but the crowd was thrilled.
Turned up.
Give up.
Never give up. Never give up.
Don't give up.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
If it doesn't, please like and subscribe.